Welcome to Metirionic Advanced Ranging Stack Demo Kit. Everything you need for starting first measurements comes in a small box. The box contains all necessary hardware, tripods, cables and software on SD flash drive. After starting your Python environment, you can start first measurements. The Mars controls the RF channels and the antenna system, and it offers an easy user interface to get the digital readout of distance and angle between the transmitter and the reflector. Using our technology, you can get the best results and highest reliability outdoor as well as indoor at the lowest power consumption and the lowest integration cost. The final solution for wireless distancing from Metirionic with integrated Bluetooth LE communication could look like this. The new Mars Demo Kit is available directly from Metirionic.